Billy Sullivan here for Ginormo Bank, the big bank dedicated to protecting your money. Have you ever had a problem finding a bank or credit union that specifically caters to the needs of the average union worker? Well, look no further. Ginormo Bank is owned by stockholders and run by board members. We make a profit off of your profit by charging you fees. Since we do all that, you know you're in good hands. Credit unions, on the other hand, are member-owned and ran by volunteers. They only charge fees to cover costs. How pathetic.
Wait a minute, how are any of those a bad thing?
How'd you get in here?
Everything you just said about credit unions is a good thing. How is any of that bad? Here, let me break it down for you. Say you need $15,000 for a new car. Assuming you have good credit and a 5-year term, here's what you can expect to get from Electrical Federal Credit Union, a local CU here in Denver.
How are you doing that? What are you doing?
A 3.99% interest rate with a minimum monthly payment of $276. That's only $1,571 in interest. Now compare that to Ginormo Bank, a 5.82% interest rate with a minimum monthly payment of $289. That's $2,324 in interest. You can save over $750 by switching to EFCU.
But what about convenience? Ginormo Bank offers thousands of locations nationwide.
So does EFCU. They're part of the Credit Union Service Network, which offers 4,300 locations nationwide. All of them will act like your home branch, so it doesn't matter where you are.
But Ginormo Bank offers online banking.
You guys aren't the only ones who have figured that out. EFCU offers safe and secure online banking just like everyone else.
But credit unions are protected by the FDIC. How can you be sure that your money is protected?
The proverbial lace up your sleeve, eh? Well, I hate to burst your bubble, but all accounts are protected by the National Credit Union Administration. The NCUA was enacted by Congress in the 70s and protects individual accounts up to $250,000. Plus, let's not forget, credit unions are entirely self-sufficient and don't rely on the government to bail them out. So what are we doing still listening to this joker? Let's head over to the Electrical Federal Credit Union today.